Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious homemade pickles. First, gather your fresh, firm cucumbers, ideally between 3 and 5 inches in length. Next, prepare your pickling brine by combining water, vinegar, pickling salt, and a touch of sugar. Remember to sterilize your glass jars and lids thoroughly to ensure a safe and successful pickling process. This crucial step prevents spoilage and keeps your pickles fresh. Now, let's add some incredible flavor to your pickles. Place fresh dill sprigs, peeled garlic cloves, and your favorite pickling spices into each sterilized jar. For those who enjoy a little heat, a pinch of red pepper flakes can add a wonderful spicy kick. Carefully pack your cucumbers vertically and as tightly as possible into the jars, leaving about 1/2 inch of headspace. With your jars packed, it's time to finish the process. Bring your prepared pickling brine to a rolling boil on the stovetop. Carefully pour the hot brine over the packed cucumbers, ensuring they are completely submerged and leaving 1/2 inch of headspace. Seal the jars tightly with the sterilized lids. Then, process the sealed jars in a boiling water bath for exactly 10 minutes to create a vacuum seal. Your homemade pickles are almost ready to enjoy. For the best flavor, allow them to cure for at least 2 weeks in a cool, dark place before opening. Unopened jars can be stored in your pantry for up to 1 year. Once opened, refrigerate and consume within a few weeks. These delicious, crunchy pickles are perfect for sandwiches or as a snack. Also, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help with your meal prep.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.